Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So welcome to part 2 of my Diamond Dot Artistry unboxing. If you didn't see part 1, I'll put the link in the description down below. It's basically I ordered 2 canvases from Diamond Dot Artistry in Australia, and they only took about 2 weeks to come, which is amazing. There is an offer, which I think is probably why I ordered. I must have seen that offer, whereby if you join their Facebook group you get 10% off, and plus it says it's free shipping worldwide. So these came from Australia and cost me nothing in postage, which is absolutely amazing these days. This one did cost me $17.50 Australian. I think the cents in Australia, sorry, correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, I was quite impressed with that as well. I'll put the conversion across the screen as to what that is in British pounds and pence. I'm not sure off the top of my head, but yeah, I was just browsing, and yeah, I think it was while I was sat at the hospital with hubby, waiting for his blood tests and his chemo and everything, and just started browsing and offers pop up, and I'm a sucker for an offer, you know. If somebody tells me there's money off and there's free postage and things like that, then yeah, I do tend to order stuff. So this is telling me the kit consists of a premium quality DIY diamond painting with an additional 30% extra diamond beads, diamond painting toolkit, a point pen, a drilling plane, 1 pot with 3 pieces of wax, 1 tweezer, and self-sealing bags. And the design size is 45 by 55, canvas size 50 by 60. So I do like the fact that they're telling you now that your canvas size is the whole of the canvas with all the writing and everything around the edge, and the design size, the drilling area, is that little bit smaller. It just, transparency, it just speaks of transparency, really. Oh, can't talk today, can I? So let's get into this one and have a look. The other one was a lovely London scene, and this one is just a little bit different. I thought I'd give it a try. So let's have a look. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a different toolkit to the one we got last time. Okay, so pop that over there. Oh, look. Can you see? I've gone on to my special drills again. Oh, look at those sparklers in there. Ooh, can't wait to see those. So let's have a look at this canvas. Oh, okay. So this canvas is rolled up. Right. I presume that's because the other canvas actually came with the big pack of drills, and it was wound around the drills, whereas this one, you can't really wind it around those, can you? So we've got an elastic band, but hopefully this one will be poured glue the same, so that shouldn't make too much difference. Just pop that over there a second. Right, let's just move these out of the way, and we'll have a look at this canvas. Oh yes. Oh, look at that face. That is superb. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's a big 40 by 50 special drill canvas. And I've actually ordered this one to go in my bathroom. So, not quite sure how people will feel when they're sat on the toilet and they've got this smiling at them. But it will make me smile back. Hey, well, nobody else is looking. Look, these look like they're sort of averting their eyes, you know, but he's giving a really good look, isn't he? Okay, we're 12 different gems and sparklers there. So, oh, look at this. This is fantastic. This is so much better than I expected, all the background and everything. So it looks like we're just going to be drilling the main turtle here. These background turtles, and oh, we've just got a little fish popping in the corner there, aren't going to be drilled. Is this a clown? No, not a clownfish. What are they? Angelfish, I think. Oh, that's a clownfish. Look, I know that one. Is that like a dory? I don't know what type of fish dory is, but that's about all I know. I do watch Finding Nemo. And then we have these. Is that a rainbow fish? It might be once it's got all the drills on. But yeah, so these bits are, but then all the coral and everything in the background aren't. Oh, the starfishes. Oh, this bit of coral is. So this is going to be so much fun to do. I do like my special drill paintings, and I definitely ordered this one. Well, it was the 14th of February. It's Valentine's Day. Oh, I ordered myself a Valentine's Day present. What can I say? And it was a bargain. Yay! So yeah. Oh, I love this. I'm just going to sit and look at it. Yep, this is definitely going to be framed and put on my bathroom wall. It will need sealing. Anything that goes in a steamy or where there's heat or whatever, you do need to seal it. I love the fact that the turtle is coming out of the frame, and we've got a couple of fish out of frame as well. So these are all in the frame, but then he's popping out to say hello. Yeah, that is going to be quite funny when that's on the bathroom wall. Okay, let's just flatten this out a little bit. I think you can see it is flattening out quite a bit. It's the same canvas as the other one, which is quite a stiff-backed canvas, if you can hear that, quite a scratchy, stiff-backed canvas. But that's okay, that's not a problem. It doesn't prevent you from diamond painting. Doesn't make any difference to me. I'm not going to be stretching it over a canvas. I don't need it to be stretchy. I just need it to hold onto the drills and then go into a nice frame. Okay, so let's just flatten out this side as well. I just couldn't resist this one. Oh, it was brilliant. They did have another one as well that I really liked, and I've still got sort of on my wish list. That was a special drill, and it was again like an undersea scene, but it went the other way. It was portrait rather than landscape, and I do want one that's landscape because this will fit in my bathroom better where I want it to go. Once I have got it done, I will let you see it so you can see whereabouts I have put it. Don't worry, you won't get to see me sat on the toilet. Okay, so yeah, this is a bit more in this toolkit than the last one. I wonder if the bits had dropped out the last one, or maybe it's just as they make up the money for the paintings, because this did cost the same amount as the other one. So yeah, this one has some little grip seal bags, and yeah, not a bad quality. They're quite a good size. They're a little bit bigger than some of them that you get. I'm not going to count them, but I would think there's maybe, well, there's more than 10, I would think there. 10-ish little bags. We've got a pen grip, a squishy to go on your pen, and we do have one of the new 4 places on this pen as well, so that's pretty good. Pop the squishy on the pen. That's yeah, that's really strange that we've got like a multi-placer on a special drill diamond painting, and whereas the other painting just had your single placing pen, and that had quite a bit of colour blocking where there was a lot of one colour, and you could have used a multi-placer. Strange. Okay. As I say, it could be just how they make up the money on paintings and things. Obviously, you know, they are in it to make profit. They do need to make a living from selling these, so that's fine. Okay, we've got your little green boat in this one. I think the other one had a white boat with a funnel. Yeah, very different. Okay, maybe it's just potluck as to what you get. Never know. Okay. Yeah, quite a few people actually I have seen use a multi-placer, sort of like a 3 or a 4 placer, put your wax in and find it easier to pick up the special drills, your larger special drill gems, because you've got a large surface area rather than just using a single point. Particularly on the bigger gems, you know, you've just got that more sort of suction to pick them up, to use them. So I have seen people do that, so possibly that's why they've put that in with there. And then your little customised, branded Diamond Dot Artistry 3 plates of your little wax there with your little logo on the top. Okay, that's upside down, Liz. Do it that way. Oh dear, I was going to say it's Australian because it's upside down, but it is Australian. Sorry, no offence to anybody, but here in the UK, I don't know whether Australia say the same thing about the UK, but we've always sort of like said that if something's upside down, it's Australian, because Australia is on the other side of the earth from us. So, you know, as kids, you always think, well, if it's on the underside of the earth, then we're upright and they're upside down. So, yeah. I wonder if Australians do say they're upside down up there. I don't know, but anyway, yeah, that's just something we used to say as kids. So yeah, okay. Please don't take offence at that. That was just things we used to say, and it used to make sense when you were a child. You know, you don't think of like the curve and gravity and all things like that. Anyway, let's have a look at these special drills. Oh, these look really pretty. Okay, so we have, as I say, 12 different gems and colours. We've got the key code at the top and the bottom, which is excellent. So we have these lovely blue sparklers. And then we have, oh, that's a 666AB, I do believe. Oh, heck. Where's the number on that one? That number's rubbing off that one. Oh dear, that one, the number's only just got on there, look. That had the machine calibrated quite right, they've gone through these. Oh, that one's number 3, look, that one's losing itself as well. I mean, fortunately, because there's only 12 colours, you can more or less probably work out where they would go. But it would be better if you could actually see that. Oh, that one's okay, that's number 4. That's that lovely ambery colour. We have another AB, which is a pretty standard for outlining things. That's number 8. That's going to be going around all these fish here. Okay. And then we have a turquoisey blue, which I think is going on the turtle. That one's, yeah, that one's number 1. That's got that one on. And then number 5. That's like your ready fiery orange there. Okay. And then, oh, look. Faceted gold gems, they're pretty. Now that one shows up okay. And your half pearls, and they do actually have an AB coating on them, so they've got that iridescent coating, and that number's showing up as well. Is that number 9 or is that number 6? I'm hoping it's number 9. Yeah, I suppose, yeah, it'd be 60 if it was the other way. So yeah, that's number 9. Just like to check these things. Oh, that's different. That looks like that's a 3865, but that is an AB. Can you see that? I don't know whether you'll be able to see it sparkling, but I've not had that one as an AB before. Oh, like that. That's interesting. And then we have your little, oh, these are all AB coated as well. Your little marquees, and they're all faceted marquees with that iridescent oil on water coating there. Very nice. And then finally, look at those. Wow. Now that is a definite oil on water, isn't it? The bluey, purpley, greeny colour that you get when you look in a dirty puddle and it's just got some oil in it. Doesn't that make it sound really romantic and inviting? Okay, yeah, so that's a faceted marquee. Right. Very, very nice. Like that a lot. Now, I could wait until the next Spash in the Specials to do this one. I may have to, or I may start this one pretty soon because I just love this. And as I say, I do need a nice pop of colour in my bathroom. It's the one place we don't really have a lot of colour. So that would be pretty good, pretty spectacular. It would certainly make people look, although they might not want to go to toilet again here if they've got a big turtle looking at them while they're sat there. Okay, so let's get this one labelled up too. So I'm using my Zest labels that I purchased from admorzest.com. So what shall we call this one? We'll call this one Turtle. And it's a special drill. And it's just 12 different gems. Okay. And it is, I'm going to put 40 by 50 because that is the canvas size, and that tends to be what I put on all my other labels. And it's Diamond Dot Artistry. Oh goodness, my writing is appalling, but never mind, it's only me that has to try and read it, which I will do. And it's 5DZX47. 5DZX47. Okay. We'll put that on that pack of drills there. and I shall put that on the canvas so I can find them that little bit easier. Pop these away. I must admit, I am impressed with these. I'm impressed with the fact that they came all the way from Australia, which is amazing, and I'm impressed with the quality so far. The toolkit's a little bit inconsistent. It will be interesting to possibly get another one and see what that toolkit's like, but for the price and for the speed of delivery, I'm really impressed. Really like these, and I will definitely be going back on that website. I'll probably end up getting the one that's the portrait one of the sea scene, but I'm trying not to buy as many. I'm trying to get a few more done, but you know what it's like. You see one you like and you think, oh well, yeah, it's got a Y in the day, in the spelling of the day. I might as well order it. It'll be a celebration of something somewhere. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this one with me. Look at that smiley face. He's obviously enjoyed looking at this with me. Okay, if you have enjoyed it, a thumbs up is always much appreciated, and if you want to come back and see more, don't forget to check out the previous video with the London scene unboxing from Diamond Dot Artistry as well. If you want to come back and see more, press that subscribe button in the corner, and there's an all notifications bell next to it, and you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.